Good morning, everyone. This is Chris Gauntz. I am the moderator for Trinity Corp. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to properly log in your work-study intern hours for both students and parents. This would help expedite the process for how we collect the data on your logged hours. First, just keep in mind this may look a little different from what you're looking at, but it's the same process. The first thing we're going to do is you're going to log into Aries. On your left, you're going to see a drop-down menu for Service Learning. You're going to click on the Service Learning tab. And again, you're going to select Service Learning under the Service Learning tab. First thing you're going to do once you click the Service Learning option under the Service Learning tab is you're going to see two tables. You're going to see a Christian Service table and an intern hours table. And this is the table here that we're specifically dealing with. Below the tables are two tabs. You'll see a Service Learning Recipient tab and a Service Learning Log tab. You're going to make sure that you're in Service Learning Recipient, and if you have hours to log, you're going to select Add New Service Learning Recipient. This ensures that the hours that you're logging go to the appropriate organization, whether it's a sports team or in this case it would be Trinity Corp work hours. You're going to click on Add New Service Learning Recipient, and a window is going to pop up saying Pre-Approved Organizations. You're going to find a drop-down menu at the top right of that window. Click on that and select Intern Hours. When you select Intern Hours, it's going to refresh the list. Say your student worked for facilities. What they would do is click on Intern Facilities, and you're going to click on Use Selected. Once you click Service Learning Recipient, you're going to fill in the dates that you worked. So if you're adding a bundle of dates, just make sure you get that enter that proper date range. If you're just doing a single day or single shift, click on the day that you worked. In this case, we're going to put in January 21st, 2020, and click Save. Once you click Save, that's going to be added on this list on your left side here. That'll automatically be highlighted. Once you click on that, you need to actually log the hours, not just write how many hours you worked. And to properly log this, with entered facilities here highlighted, which is the new Service Learning Recipient that you just entered, you're going to click the Service Learning Log and click on Add New Log Entry. All you're going to do here is click on the date that you worked, or if you had entered a range, click on a date somewhere within that range. Under Area, you're going to see two drop-down menus. The top one should say Intern Hours. The next one, if you're a student, click Student. If you're a parent, click Parent. And say you work 4 hours for facilities that day. You would add your start time and your end time. Now, in the service description, you can write some notes, either that this can be verified with either your time cards or anything else that would help us reference these hours. It's more of a reference point for me to verify where if you had worked these hours. And basically you're going to see here to the right, it's going to say pending. Once you enter the date, intern hours, student, or parent if you're a parent, and the hours that you worked, you're going to hit save record. Once you save record, the entry comes to me, and I can either approve or deny the hours. Basically, if everything's filled out correctly, and I do have verification that you work these hours, and that I have a time card for those hours, I will approve the hours, and that will automatically show up in your intern hours. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at cgonse@servitehs.org, or you can call me at 714-774-7575, extension 1160. Thank you.